So what's it like outside, Todd?
It's pretty cool out.
What do you think it is, like 40?
Yeah, probably. It's 7:59 in the morning, so it's kind of late. This is the 10th of June.
7, or isn't it 6?
It's 6:59.
Oh, you said 7:50.
Oh, did I? Oh, I'm sorry.
That was like, wow.
And of course, it's just ultra peaceful. Let's go check our fire. Probably dumped, I don't know, 3 gallons of water on it last night because it was going pretty good. Make sure this thing's dead out. There's nothing left over there. There's no heat at all. Okay, good. Well, we're not going to have tea this morning. Laurie wants to go down the street, find some internet so we can do some research on some camping and stuff, and as we go down the road, as you get back towards the Midwest, camping gets worse and worse for free camping, so we're going to do some research and see what we come up with. Ready?
Ready.
We made it to John Day, Lori. And Lori was looking for some coffee, but she struck out.
I did.
So we are at the Thrift Way in John Day. We're gonna get a little bit of fuel over there, and we're gonna go in here and see what they got for some baked goods, if they have any.
Right.
Oh, well, I see a case over here, Lori. I see a bacon-covered cream stick right there.
Yeah.
And maple,
I think, yeah.
and there's some sort of cinnamon thing, it looks like, right there.
I'm trying not to dig in. I'm waiting on you.
She's patiently waiting for me.
I am.
We have a bacon covered Long John, it looks like, that's cream filled, of course, and what do you
A
think that
cinnamon
is?
twist.
Cinnamon twist. Okay, let's see it. Let's try the cinnamon one first.
Okay. Here, this is so tasty. Mmm. That was a nice chew.
Yeah, that's good.
I wasn't expecting it to be so chewy. Pretty good.
That's really good. Well, how's that?
Pretty good. There's not much cream on that side. I'm sorry I picked off your bacon.
I'll eat the bacon for you. I'll make that sacrifice.
It's good though.
Diamond Root introduced high-quality, disease-resistant vegetable seeds to more than 60 countries. He has worked to help millions of small farmers.
We were coming up the road and we saw this railroad interpretive site, plus had a place to pee, so we stopped. Now we're going to take a hike over here and see what we got.
There's a real variety of pine trees.
Yeah, ponderosa pine mostly, they said.
Is ponderosa pine just this?
I think those big ones. So this is the railroad bed we're walking up. Interesting. winch.
Yeah, that's cool.
And the trail just keeps going. They did a really nice job on this.
Oh, they did.
You can see how this was dug deep down in here, around this railroad bed here. This is the Bates day use area. And we decided to make some quesadillas for lunch. Of course, I'm in charge of videotaping and carrying stuff to the picnic table. Laurie is cutting up her vegetables, it sounds like.
Yep.
There she is.
I'll be done in a second. Is it almost ready to cook?
You already got everything set up out there, so.
Okay, I'm just gonna get this and then I'll be ready.
Okay.
How's that going?
Okay. Just gotta put some cheese on it, it looks like.
Ready?
Yep. It's good. It's good. Hold, hold, hold. Oh, you're making two, right?
Yeah, we're making the whole thing.
Oh, the whole thing. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think it's about ready, hon.
Yeah, flip it. Flip that bad kid. Smells like it's burning.
I know, I'm afraid. Oh,
Ooh,
no, it's
no,
perfect. Look at that. Almost. Almost too done, but not quite. Just perfect.
Yep, that'll do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. There's some creme fraiche.
Yummy.
Ooh, this smells like it's burning on this side.
Oh, okay, well, if it's...
Oh, it is.
Here. Okay.
Turn this thing off.
Mm-hmm.
It's really hot.
Hot, hot. I hope it's good.
Where do you want yours?
On my lettuce. But you know what I didn't bring? I'll use the spoon. As long as you have enough. I like it. It's fine. A little more. I like it.
Lunch is done. It was delicious and nutritious.
And we have a new man.
Oh yeah. I was able to shave after lunch.
He actually has a face.
Oh, it feels so good to have a big scruffy beard. Anyway, let's go up over here. There's some sort of reservoir. So we're going to go up here and explore it a little. All right, well, here it is. So, looks like an earthen dam here with, I don't know if they made this retention basin for irrigation at one time or for water supply. It doesn't look very big. It doesn't look big enough for a water supply. Probably irrigation. Water looks pretty clear. You have a little depth gauge on this side. Let's go check out the spillway over there. Maybe it's a salmon ladder. Still snow mounting up on the, or still snow mounting.
What'd you say?
Still snow melting up on the mountain. What do you think the temperature is out here right now, hon? Probably
70?
Yeah, I was gonna say probably in the 70s, don't you think? A lot of red-winged blackbirds over there in the cattails. There's one right there, making a little ruckus. There he goes. He doesn't like us walking around here.
No, because he's got a nest over there.
Yep, there's one right there. So they have a main spillway and then a salmon ladder over to the right there. It's not a very deep reservoir, I can tell you that. Most of the way we could see the bottom all the way around. Way far out, so. It's kind of weird why they would put this dam here to make such a small body of water. All that money spent, you know, maybe they use it for flooding, you know, to control flooding or something. But I mean, the spillway doesn't go up and down, so I I don't know. Okay, here we are on the outflow side where the ladder is. Sun's pretty warm today. A lot warmer than we're used to over the last 3 days, Lori, huh? But then again, there's no wind down here either because we're so deep in this valley. We made it around the trail.
Yeah.
That was a much longer trail than I thought it was going to be, huh?
Yeah, it was probably, I don't know, 1.5 miles, 2 miles.
All right, well, let's go take a leak and then head down the road.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Okay, we made it to Baker City. We saw, I think, a coffee shop down here. There's, of course, Starbucks here too. Really don't want
to stay away from that if possible.
Yeah, we really want to go to Starbucks.
We love to do the local food if at all possible.
Yeah, even though Starbucks is good. So giraffe on this side, elephant over there. A distillery in downtown. That's kind of nice. Yep, that's a short one. Rear engine, GMC. Pulling a giant trailer. Okay. We're in the little bagel shop, which isn't really that little. Holy moly. Wow. It's a big one. I don't know. Let's see what they got. Hello.
We're just leaving this cute bagel shop here. We were busy working on videos and we forgot to get a video of the bagel and coffee that we had, but how was it? What kind did you get?
Bacon cheddar.
Yeah, it was pretty
With
darn
cream
good.
cheese, it was awesome.
Yeah, it was great. It's a cool place in here though. It's really a big space. We got to get the road because they're closing. It's really interesting.
Yeah, metal sculptures.
I know you can't help but want to touch it, right? Even though you know it's sharp, you just want to... Which way?
This way. Yep. There's the old GMC over there again.
Did you see the alligator on the side?
Oh no, I didn't see that one.
Cool.
And they chained hippo to the pole so nobody would steal him. Get your local fed grass-fed beef and lamb. We're in Hell's Canyon. It's about 80 degrees right now, so it's warmed up quite a bit since this morning. But the scenery is really striking. It's funny, you know, you look around, you see all the desert, and then there's huge amount of water going down through here. But that greenery doesn't spread much up the hills.
Beautiful here, isn't it?
Yep.
That water's pretty powerful down there.
Yep. Of course, the sign says the same thing. How it doesn't move, it doesn't spread past the hills very far. We had to stop. When you see this kind of scenery, you just got to stop. Okay, this is still going up through Hell's Canyon. Looks like somebody had a bad day down there. You can see that. See that truck right down there? See it? Gosh, I hope he didn't go off the side here. My goodness. He was just trying to drive off-road through that valley down there and got stuck there, hopefully. The sound interrupted right by a car. It's so quiet until a car
I know,
comes.
right?
We had to stop. There's like a little ranger station here we saw, but this is the third one of these we've seen so far since we've been out. It's a weird, I'm assuming it's a silo, but it's all metal. It's really kind of cool looking. Never seen one shaped like that, but it's got a complete screen top on it and a walkway. It looks like it goes around the top. It's private property, so I don't want to walk over there, or I would. But man, that is cool looking. And then there's a guy that has a plane in his yard. Oxbow Dam, 2 miles this way.
12 miles.
2 miles this way.
I saw Brownlee Dam.
Oxbow Dam. I'm kind of confused. I'm assuming that there's a river or something on the other side of this wall. I guess. Because the water's coming out here. But there's no river over there. I mean, it's just solid rock. So he must have drilled through this rock to a water source on the other side.
And we've never seen anything like this before.
Yeah. So I guess we'll have to drive up the road farther and see. Anyway, I thought we'd come down and look at it at least. Okay, now it's making sense. You can't see it, but there's a dam way down there at the end. You could just barely see it once we came around that curve up there. There, you can see the rock piled up there at the end. So they dammed this up to make this reservoir and then drilled through the base to the other side of that mountain to make that power plant. Now that's some engineering right there. My goodness. Another dam. So this is the second one. And there must be another, obviously there's another reservoir on top of that. Another power plant. There's a diversion channel over there. Pretty impressive. Here's our camp for tonight, the 10th of June. This is...
Yeah, we're in Idaho.
Yeah, what forest was this? I forget now.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I can't remember.
We're gonna have to look it up.
Yeah.
But we got a really nice site here, I
Yeah.
think.
Yeah, it's right on the road, but I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of traffic down here. It is a Monday night, so I'm sure everybody that's camping is probably back, or was camping on the weekend is probably back at work.
Yeah, I think so.
So there might be a few holdouts, like old fogies like us. But for the most part, the four-wheeler riders and the pickup truck drivers and stuff like that are probably at home because they got to go to work tomorrow.
Or today. They already went to work today.
Yes, I mean, they got to go to work again tomorrow. So, anyway, it's pretty, no doubt. So we're making some hot water right now, and we're going to sit down and chill. It's 8:30 at our campsite here. We've been sitting here watching the ground squirrels. We thought they were prairie dogs, but I set the GoPro up over there and got a close-up of one of them, and it looks like a ground squirrel.
We don't know.
I think it's a ground squirrel. Looks like a squirrel at me.
Yeah. Its tail sure looks like a squirrel.
Lori's in here.
Having leftovers. We're having leftover blackened chicken.
Yeah, and boy, it smells good. Got a little salad going over there.
And some more fresh Parmesan cheese.
Yep. So it should be delicious.
It's like fry. I want to get it, like, see how it's starting to brown a little.
Yeah.
I think that's going to be delicious.
Fried Parmesan. I better close the door so that
Okay.
there's less bugs. There we go. There.
Nice.
I can see you a little better. Oh yeah.
Just a little longer.
Do you want a cookie tonight or do you want ice cream?
I want ice cream. I want that ice cream sandwich, but I think I'm gonna...
Oh, that's right. We have one ice cream sandwich left over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that looks like it's done.
Yeah, I think so too. Let's turn it off.
I'll shut the stove top off.
Okay. Ooh, I touched the side of the pan.
Careful.
Yeah. Oh, it didn't turn out to be that much, huh?
No.
But yeah, there's a lot of butter there.
That's the best part.
You want it drizzled on there?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say I will. If you want that much butter.
Well, I should have brought the big camera. We'll shoot it on the GoPro. Really won't do it justice, but this is uphill from our camp. Just decided to go on a hike. It looks like there's a road down there. Which one?
This flower here. Look at this white flower, and inside it has purple and then yellow. I don't think that the camera will do it any justice.
No, probably not. That's beautiful.
It is.
Does it smell?
I don't know. Make sure there's no bugs in it.
Yeah, I don't think there is.
No, not really. Maybe just a real faint smell. We found these really pretty ones too. Unfortunately, I don't know much about wildflowers, but I'll tell you, these ones sure smell. They just smell so pretty. Like lilac.
These ones aren't really in full bloom.
They're not open all the way.
Uh-oh.
Here's some more over here. These are. They probably smell even stronger.
Like those ones right there.
Mm-hmm. Like these.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Listen. It's either coyote or wolf. I don't know if the GoPro can even hear it. There's coyotes or wolves howling over in the distance over there. Too bad I didn't have the big camera. Should have brought it. It's bedtime.
Yes. What time is it? Oh my gosh, it's 10 o'clock.
Oh my goodness.
This is way past our bedtime.
Yes, and you can see it's a beautiful sunset outside. it's really dark. So you can just see the reflection of us in the windows. Anyway, we're gonna hit the sack.
Good night.